Radio's going out.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Coshocton County and east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was near landing, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar. Impact, tree damage. Plant damage. Locations impacted include Walhanding, NOAA, Warsaw, Litchfield, Coshocton, West Lafayette, Baltic, Bakersville, Newcomerstown, Stone Creek, Gilmore, Hutton. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at News Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscarawas, Ohio,